I've had Kool-Aid pickles before. What about Kool-Aid pickled eggs? This is something I'm interested in. Let's make some brine. We need a cup of water, a cup of vinegar, and a cup of sugar. I'm gonna stir and allow it to dissolve. I'm gonna try this out with 3 types of Kool-Aid. Lemon lime, cherry, and orange. Add some brine to each jar. I'm gonna add 1 hard-boiled egg peeled to each jar. And I'm gonna refrigerate them for a few days. I'll give them a shake every now and again. All right, it's been 24 hours. Let's just take a look. Holy cow, look at that deep color, and I absolutely think that fun little light dot on the top is kind of exciting. Here's that orange one. It's very red with an orange top. And finally, we have that cherry one. It basically looks like a beet. Let's cut these and try them out. Did they get colorful on the inside? Not much. It's mainly just that outside color. Kool-Aid eggs. Will they be the new rage? Let's find out. Let's try that lemon lime. It tastes just like a hard-boiled egg with lemon lime flavor. It's not horrible. It's not extra good either, but let's try this orange. Maybe orange will be better. I don't like orange at all. Finally, cherry. Here we go. It's Kool-Aid. And it's an egg. I'm gonna give this a 2.6 out of 10. I like the lemon lime the best. It certainly was a surprise for the taste buds. What Kool-Aid do you think you would use? What do you call a cow that can't give milk? A milk dud.